And please press subscribe. Yes, that means subscribe. Hit the button. Take care. For this project and back, we're going to be using in the Villa 5-stone combination Borrego. It's awesome. So let's get to that video. Hey guys, Dave Pratt again. Hey, check this out. So I'm going to be working on a project where they have some pavers, and then they have turf over on the side. They have slate, and we're going to match part of that in the back. And then they have what are wonderful epoxy pebbles. Yep. This stuff falls apart, cracks, never holds up. It's a nightmare. So the reason why I was asked to do this job because the homeowner tried to scrape everything off and he wants pavers back here. But for anybody who's looking for epoxy pebbles, I mean, seriously, it's terrible. Falls apart. They tell you you can overdo it over your current. And then imagine bringing all that into your house and scraping your wood floors, your tile. I mean, just horrible. So anyway, I'm going to be removing all this stuff, getting rid of the brick. We're going to take this out, put some brand new steps in here. We're going to make it look awesome. Anyway, oh, and we're going to put the slate material back here. We're going to overlay this section. So anyway, Dave Pratt, 714-588-8634. Beautiful day today. I'm out.